How to add multiple videos on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add multiple videos on a Snapchat. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log in and you will land on this camera section. Now you need to simply swipe off in access to your memories of Snapchat. Now from this section, you can tap and hold the particular video and choose multiple videos of your choice. And now tap on the send icon at bottom right corner. Now depending upon your internet connection, it will say take a few time in order to load. Now under stories, you need to select whether you want to add the story to friends only or to public. And once done, select the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen and successfully you will add multiple videos on a Snapchat story. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.